ABX392 Heavy, Cincinnati Tower, wind 2307, runway 18 left, start chilling. ABX392 Heavy, make the next right turn, hold short of taxiway Sierra.
Next right turn, hold short, taxiway Sierra, ABX392 Heavy.
ABX392 Heavy, you have time for questions?
Go.
Is this Greg?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Is this Greg?
Yes.
Is this Greg Parsons?
Yes, it is.
Last flight?
Last flight.
Hey, on behalf of Cincinnati, we'd like to congratulate you on your retirement.
Thank you.
And ABX392 Heavy, you can taxi the Sierra, contact ramp for entry. You guys have fun.
Sierra, ramp for the entry, ABX392 Heavy. Appreciate it.
DHL Ops, ABX392 on the ground at 0653.